Hello Jim, Tech Buzz back with the video. Today we've got the all new Nokia 5310 2020 edition. And this is the packaging here. So you've got a 2.4 inch display, dual speakers, radio, MP3, micro SD card slot, and a single SIM. So you get up to 20 hours, 30 days. And with the dual SIM, 20.7 hours, 22 days, talk and standby time. Internet, browser, games, video player, camera with flash and torch. So let's take it out, have a look, then we'll check out what's on it and all that kind of stuff, and see what it's all about. So it's pretty much the same packaging as you would have got in the previous Nokia devices that they brought back. And there is your battery. And we will have the phone next. So that's it. Very, very light. And we also get our plug, and we get US for your user manual. No headphones, pretty simple. That's what you get in the box. So we'll take all this out of the way, it's no good, and you're on USB, micro USB. So here is the phone, and we will peel off. So that's it there. Very, very light when you pick it up first, but there is no battery. So on the back you've got your little camera and flash, so that's pretty much it there. And the camera is VGA, so it's not going to be breathtaking by any means. And you've got your navi key in the middle, your buttons here on the side for controls, and your volume over here. And in here you have got your dual SIM slots and micro SD card slot. And up on top you have a headphone jack and your USB. And that's pretty much it. Nice and simple. So we'll pop in the battery, power it up, and that's it all sealed up there now. And we'll turn it on. See if there is any juice inside. And there we go. So we'll get it set up, come back, show you what it's all about, and tell you what we think about it. So first up, here's a couple of images of the device out of the box and what it looks like. Pretty nice, neat, small and compact candy bar design, with enough to keep you going should you find yourself bored at some stage if you happen to carry it with you. So stay tuned for more after these images. Okay, so we're back with the Nokia 5310 2020. So when you go in here, you've got your famous menu. So your call log here, your contacts, your photos, your Facebook, music, camera, mobile store, internet and messaging. So you've also got your weather, your snake, radio, and you've got your calendar, clock, and you've got your settings wheel, and then you've got videos, counters, notes, extras, files. So in here you've got your countdown, stopwatch, torch. So have a look at the torch there and see how bright it is. So that's the torch there, and you've got your converter, and you've got Asphalt 6, Smart Dual SIM, your Assassin's Creed, and Doodle Jump. So that's what you have in there in this menu. And we will go up into settings. So in settings, you've got connectivity. So you've got flight mode, dual SIM, and Bluetooth. In tones, you've got these here. So we'll see what the tones are like and how loud the speaker is. So that's it, and how loud? It's loud enough. Very polyphonic sounding too, so you just have to think of that. So you got your keypad tones, your warnings, and you have got your vibration on or off as well, or vibrate then ring. So in your display settings, you have got your wallpaper, so you have default or photos. And then you've got your backlights, so you've got your intensity and timeout time, so you can go up like there. You've got glance screen, you've got font size, notifications, cell info. Profiles, you've got your profiles if you remember them. You've got general, silent, beep, outdoor or personal. Date and time, backup, call settings, phone settings, cost settings, security settings, and so on. So in the phone settings here, you have got your language, your keyguard settings, your welcome note, your configuration service actions. That's all that's in there. Your costs, you've call tracker, security, call bar, and close user group. All these things you remember from Nokia of old. So that's what that will look like there. So let's have a look. So we shall go into music. So there's no music there. Obviously you're going to have to put your music on. So this is what your music control will look like. Plus you've also got your controls here on the side as well for play, pause, reverse and skip tracks and so on, which is grand, nice and handy. And of course you've got your volume control over here on the left hand side, and you can see the little indicators there. Very small keys indeed. Into the camera. So the camera isn't going to be great, as we already know, so we'll just pop in that there and try and get some kind of photograph. So you can share, delete or rename in there, and this is what you're looking at there. It's not actually bad in fairness. And you also get the option to zoom in and out. So if you go up here, for example, you can zoom in and out, which is fair enough. In the settings, you've got your photos, your flash, your video camera, and again you've got the same idea in there. Videos, camera and choose scene. So you've automatic and night. And the camera, you have got your brightness, and we go back into that there. You've got your image effects, scene and burst mode, and a self timer. So that's all pretty well and good in there. And you've video in here, so you can just toggle across from video to photograph from the navigation bar up on top there. Radio, you're going to need to plug in your earbuds. No, you don't. That's pretty cool. So you will have to put them in to get a better performance. So we'll have a quick search here and see. Most of these phones from the old days, you used to have to plug in your earbuds to get a signal, but this is saying different here, so that's nice to see.
Front five, CC's gone into the second row, even though he's much for scoring over PSG on Tuesday night, but for what he's been doing off the pitch to Jacob Stockdale as he tried to.
So you can just scroll up through the radio with these buttons on the side. And we'll get out of that before we get copyright stricken. So that's the radio there, working pretty well, and it's nice and loud as well. It's decent, so you can't really go bad. So you've got your go-to menu here with your photos. Lock the keypad, torch on. I'm going to turn that off, and you've got your ring volume settings and left key, so you can change the front menu there if you want, which is pretty nice. And your quick shortcut there. So again, you've got your navigation key here in the middle, and then you have your buttons here. So that's the dial tone on the buttons. And the calls are okay. Try the quick call on it. Have one SIM card in. There's no point in putting two in. But overall, nice little retro phone, and it's pretty good as well for a bit of a detox as well if you want to get away from social media and all that kind of stuff, which is grand. So we'll have a quick look at Asphalt 6 here. See what the picture is like. And see how long it takes to load. Play demo. So that's what it looks like there. So you've got something to do regardless, no matter, it's just a small cheap phone, but there's enough on it to keep you going. You've got your volume here, your Bluetooth there, and you can turn off the phone there, and you can lock it from here as well. So overall, nice little phone, bringing back some of the old phones which Nokia have been doing for the last while. You had the 3310, you had the banana phone as well, which we've had, and this is the latest one. So it'd be nice to see a couple more coming back, and they're nice to see. And that's really about it for now. So any questions, hit us up, and thanks for watching. Nokia did not get a pre-approved copy of this review. We bought this phone ourselves, and obviously no commission has been paid for this video. This is our own thoughts and our own views, and that's how it works here. So again, you've got your snake. We'll have a quick look at that before we end the video. So you want sound and play. Okay. So there is your snake. So your controls are here with the Navi pad, and that's it there. So that's it for the Nokia 5310 2020. Nice little phone, great for detox as well, handy to carry around, very light, and has enough to keep you occupied should you need be, without getting in touch with social media too much. Of course you do have the internet there, but it's going to be painfully slow, basically not worth your while. You've got Facebook built in there as well, and that's really about it. Thanks for watching.